Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on DIY laptop repair. Today, we'll guide you through the essential tools and steps needed to get your laptop back in working order. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need for this project. A good laptop repair kit should include 1. A precision screwdriver set. This is crucial, as laptops often use small screws that require specific sizes. Make sure you have Phillips and Torx screwdrivers. 2. A spudger. This tool helps to pry open the laptop casing without damaging it. 3. Anti-static wrist strap. This is important for preventing static electricity from damaging your laptop's internal components. 4. A can of compressed air. This will aid in cleaning out any dust and debris that may have accumulated inside. Now that we have our tools ready, let's start disassembling the laptop. Begin by turning off the device and unplugging it. Remove the battery if possible. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Use your precision screwdriver to remove these screws carefully, keeping them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover off, you'll see the internal components. It's vital to clean these areas to ensure optimal performance. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This can help prevent overheating issues. Remember, cleanliness is key in laptop repair. If you're unsure about any step, or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can have your laptop repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. Next, let's check for any loose connections or damaged components. Look closely at the hard drive and RAM. If either appears to be unseated, gently push them back into place until they click securely. If a component is damaged, you might need a replacement. When replacing parts, always ensure they are compatible with your laptop model. You can find this information in your user manual or online. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact us for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you've completed your repairs, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back cover on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened, as loose panels can lead to further problems. Before you power on your laptop, take a moment to double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no leftover screws. This step is crucial to avoid issues later on. After confirming everything is in order, reconnect the battery and plug the laptop back in. Power it on and listen for any unusual sounds. If it runs smoothly, congratulations on completing your repair. Finally, if you'd like a quote before repair, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you with any questions or concerns about your laptop repair process. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.